Howdy, folks. We're live at 6:09. I'm going to copy our 40 spots on the way up. I think we're running a 4-winner mini for Brandon's 3-winner battle starring Blue Snaggletooth. There he is. Hothleia there. Some other stuff. Top 4 win spots in a main. So I'm going to paste my list of 40 spots over here at random. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. As you know, we got a 5. Exactly. So we're golden. Golden. Good luck, focus. Here we go. Eddie takes round 1. Jeff 2. Adam 3. Cole takes round 1. And our winners are Jeff, Troy, Jeff, and Beetlejuice. Congratulations, fellas.
Beetlejuice is...
Hey! Verification code. EGPYRK. Excuse me for that little interruption there. We're done. It's 6:10. As you can see here. Again, here's the official winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.